go! Today, we got a phone to destroy, and it is the all-new Beyond Top HONOR X9b. HONOR claims that it is almost indestructible, all thanks to its new Ultra Bounce anti-drop display. But to prove that it is the real deal, it has to go through our series of tortures as usual, and only we'll decide if it is a real Beyond Top smartphone. But before we do all that stuff, let's talk about a few things that makes the HONOR X9b a better phone than its predecessor aside from its durability. Now, first of all, it comes with a new sunrise orange vegan leather bag with a gold coloring on its camera bump that makes it look a whole lot premium on top of its already sleek body. And despite that, HONOR managed to fit in a large 5800 mAh battery that can easily last up to 3 days. Unlike the competition, the HONOR X9b is the only phone within its class to use a super bright and crisp 1.5K resolution OLED display. It is also the first phone to employ a brand new 4nm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chip and comes with an upgraded 108MP main camera. It is overall a pretty big upgrade over the HONOR X9a. So, what makes this phone even more durable this time is that HONOR has reinforced the entire chassis with 3 layers of protection, which enables the phone's screen to remain intact even if it is dropped from as high as 1.5 meters from any angle. And it is able to absorb shocks 1.2 times better than its predecessor. And to testify that, let's begin our drop test by going out of the studio. So HONOR says that the X9b is able to withstand drops from as high as 1.5 meters, right? But we are going to do something different here. So what I'm going to do now is to just throw the phone as high as possible for a couple of times, and it will land on the floor, and we shall find out whether the screen survives. So I'm just going to turn on the display right now. So you can see it's a perfectly fine HONOR X9b, pristine condition, and we're just going to do the test right now. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, moment of truth. Look at it, the screen survived, which is good. All right, and let's try one more time. So I have to say that the corners absorb the impact pretty well, and we're just only getting a scuff on the side here. So let's do 2 more times, shall we? And in 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, it landed flat this time. We are going to find out if it still survives. All right, so you can see that there's no cracks at all. It's just a screen protector, but we're just going to remove the screen protector right now, shall we? Because, you know what, we are not going to give the screen any form of protection. So as you can see, there's no cracks at all. We're going to do that drop test one more time. And in 3, 2, 1, go! Even higher. All right. Okay, let's see whether the phone survives. Look at it, guys. No cracks at all. The screen is off, but I'm going to turn it back on. It still works. All right, so the HONOR X9b managed to survive our throw test or drop test, whatever you would like to call it. So it can definitely survive a drop for more than 1.5 meters. Moving on to the next torture test, as you can see, we are going to use the same HONOR X9b phone and put into this biscuit tin where there's full of garden rods. Let me show you guys that. So I'm just going to open it up, and as you can see, there's some rocks right inside this biscuit tin. So what I'm going to do is to just put the HONOR X9b into the biscuit tin, and we are going to shake this biscuit tin as much as possible and see whether the screen survives, okay? So I'm just going to record a video using the phone. I mean, why not? And make sure it's in 4K 30 fps. Okay, we're in 4K 30 fps already, and we are just going to hit the record button right now, and let's throw inside. Okay, and let's do some shaking. Okay, I think we're pretty much done, and we're going to find out whether the phone screen survived. Okay, so gutter rocks are pretty heavy, and look at it, guys! The phone still works! And of course, the record button stopped, but I'm sure it actually recorded all that motion inside. So yeah, the HONOR X9b screen survived, and I'm happy that it did. But we're just going to do it one more time to show you that this is not a trick or whatsoever. So let's hit the record button again and throw it inside one more time. Close the biscuit tin and one more time. All right, we're done, and let's find out if the phone screen finally cracked. And guys, you're not going to believe this. The screen survived. Look at how strong this glass is. No matter how much I shake it, it still survives. It won't crack. The final torture test that we are going to do to the very same HONOR X9b that we tried destroying earlier is to have my e-scooter run over it at a high speed. So we're just going to put the phone flat right now, like this. All right, so it's flat already. Screen still survives. As you can see, it doesn't crack it. And I'm going to ride my e-scooter, try to run over it as fast as possible, right? One last time. All right, the moment of truth. Oh my God. Look at it, guys. There's no cracks on the HONOR X9b screen. This screen is really like a tank. I can't believe it. I ran through a lot of times, like I think at least like 6 times over the phone, and the screen still survives. Look at it. It's totally flawless. There's no cracks at all. The fingerprint reader still works. And let's check out the camera. Camera still works as well. This is incredible, guys. All right, so we have done all the 3 torture tests, and true enough, this is a beyond tough phone. All right, so we are now back in the studio with the HONOR X9b that we just tried to destroy earlier on. And I'm sorry to disappoint you guys if you want to see this phone screen broken, but this phone is just built like a tank. As you can see, the HONOR X9b managed to survive all those torture tests that we put on and is stronger than ever. So what is there to say it wouldn't survive in your usual daily accidents? The phone will be officially launched in Malaysia on 1st November onwards, and you can pre-order yours starting on 27 October by just visiting any HONOR stores nationwide and pay a 9 ringgit deposit. And as usual, HONOR is super confident about the phone's durability, and it is offering a 365-day screen crack protection for both the front and back glass. And best of all, stand a chance to win cash rebates up to 1,500 ringgit when you pre-order the phone. So go place your order on the toughest phone of 2023 today. Alright, so that's all for the torture test video on the HONOR X9b. Do let me know if you guys want to see more videos just like this on the channel in the comments down below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos coming right up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.